If you need a last-minute cookie idea, you're going to run to Walmart or a craft store and grab this cookie gun from Wilton. The cookie is a very light taste, small, so it's a great, just like a couple bite type of cookie. Comes with different discs so that you can use them for different holidays. It's easy to switch out discs for the same batch of cookie dough. And it comes together super, super quickly. Now, while you're out, you're going to want to grab some powdered sugar, butter, and you want it room temperature when you get home, so leave it out. You're also going to need flour, eggs, salt, and vanilla extract. Start your oven to 400 degrees before you begin. And then you're going to cream your butter and your sugar. You really want it to be room temperature because, as you can see, mine was kind of sandy because it wasn't coming together very well. So I had to use my hand to cream it a bit. And then there it comes together now. Then you're going to add your eggs and your vanilla. You can also use almond extract or a combination of the two. And then you're going to slowly add your flour and salt until it all comes together. This is also a great recipe for kiddos who are just learning to be independent in the kitchen because it's such an easy one to do. Now my footage cuts out here in a minute and you're going to miss me loading up the gun. But it loads really easily. You want to just smash it in there and then press it down. Choose your discs. Again, you can use multiple discs for the same batch if you want. And I'm going to show you 3 different levels of design for it. So you can just leave them plain. That is absolutely fine. But if you want to add some colored sugars, that is great too. It takes, barely any extra effort and does improve the final product. If you even want to put in a little bit more effort, but not much time, grab some gel food coloring at the store. You want it to be the gel and not the watery kind. And you can color your dough. You can easily do a few different versions as well, different colors, leave some plain, some colored. My one advice though is to not use colored sugar on top of the colored dough. That's what I did and it looks terrible. I would stick with either like a regular white sugar or maybe the silver or gold as well. I thought it would look pretty, but instead it looks terrible. Now, these cookies only take about 5 minutes, but I always rotate my pan at 4 minutes because I've got a hot spot in my oven. But as you'll see, I cooked these a little bit too long and they got brown and weird. But these are my husband's favorite Christmas cookie. They are so easy to do. You're going to get in and out of the kitchen in about 30 minutes, including the time it takes to bake and cool your cookies. Enjoy.